Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to use masking effects in Capcut. First, open your Capcut, then import two videos. Then drag the videos to the timeline together. Now adjust it to the video. Then select these mask options. Now adjust it to the video. Then click on the keyframe and move it to the end of the video like this. And then drag the video as a layer and adjust the feather. Here is the preview. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.